In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Wix website into HTML. This process can be particularly useful if you're looking to move away from Wix or if you need a more customizable approach to your website's design. It's important to follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth transition, so let's get started. First, we'll head over to the Wix website editor. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Wix editor. This is where you typically make changes to your site's design and content. Ensure that you're logged in to the correct account so you can access the site you want to convert. This initial step essentially marks the beginning of your journey from using Wix's intuitive site building tools to a more manual HTML setup. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to your browser, specifically if you're using Google Chrome, as this method works well with it. Look at the top right corner of the window, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. Clicking on these dots opens a menu that grants you access to several browser features and settings. This feature is often employed for various browser-related tasks, but in our case, it's a nifty way to save your current page. In the menu that appears, scroll down until you see the option labeled Katamatat. However, rather than casting the page to another device, we'll use the option to save or share our web page. Here, you're essentially digging deeper into Chrome's capabilities to exploit its ability to download web contents. Next, choose Save Page As. This option allows you to save the content of the current page directly to your computer. It will prompt you to select a destination and give the file a name. Usually, saving it in a dedicated folder helps maintain organization and makes it easier to locate later. Be sure to save the page as a complete web page. This setting ensures you download all the necessary files, including images and styling information found on the page. Once the download is complete, go to the directory where the files were saved. Here you should find an HTML document, along with a folder containing other elements such as images and style sheet files related to your Wix page. At this stage, it's about checking that all files are intact and ready for further use or modification. By completing these steps, you've converted your Wix page to an HTML file. Now you have the flexibility to manually adjust the HTML and CSS files, or migrate them to another hosting provider if you wish. Keep in mind, while this approach copies the static elements of your site, dynamic functionalities might need additional attention. Always back up your work before making changes, and if you're not confident in editing code, consider seeking help from a web developer.